Wait, why are we building a water-cooled computer in the kitchen?
Well, we're remodeling the shop right now, Linus. And it's not like Bill Gates had a whole fully stocked shop to build his computers, and he built a whole Microsoft.
Fair point. But if he's so smart, why couldn't he build a computer that's this much more powerful than what he had back then? In fact, I would say the sleeper machine that we're going to install in here is more powerfuler than his Altair 8800, then current Bill Gates is richer than 1975 Bill Gates.
What, like by percentage? Because he had like no money back then. He was building out of a garage.